there's a bit of a rattling noise in the brush roll. And it sounds like the motor might need serviced on this, because he did sit in the basement of a vacuum store for quite a long time. Interesting things about these Guardsmans is that the power switch is on the bottom like a sanitaire. So that's a pretty neat feature. And a conquest. Yeah, made in China in 2009. He's been here for 1 year now. Great machine. Even though he does need some repairs. Servicing.